Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Country people, una welcome to DGM TV, weekly Pidgin English update. I beg, if this one is the first time when it be say you till they see our videos like this, I take God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DGM TV. Make you come knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news for the Pidgin, the entertainment, and even the main news. Me when one nakuna this story again this week, Naim be una country brother Stanley Okocha. Our first story today, they come from Edo State.
Sit down, na good evening, I mean a good afternoon. I throw a salute to all our beautiful women.
Thank you.
I want to encourage all of us, so you know, say some of us, the kind thing when we dey see, only God know. Some of us, we don't cry finish, we don't know where we go. I bring you good news from Pastor Sanjay Zeyam. He say, as we dey sit down there, he sent me message. He said because he love women and he want empower them and he want help some of them with chicken and money, we go help them with their business. He said, as we dey here so, make we select 5 women wey we wan help with money for business. So una go give me 5 names wey I wan carry go, so that dem go give una small money wey una go take with business. Now una go decide am or no be me go decide am, because una know una sef. Now wetin we dey talk be say we wan help our women, and Pastor Sanjay is there because na man wey dey talk true, he don already dey start am. Una no clap for me now. Abi una no understand wetin I talk? Una no understand wetin I talk? He say he wan help 5 women. No. He say as the fire dey hot. He say because he don see say the women wey dey this community, the women wey dey this Oloko community, the ones wey dey Riverine, everybody don forget una. Nobody know say una dey there. Nobody know say na suffer una dey. The garri wey una dey do before, e get one garri place wey dem dey do garri. Wetin happen to am? Fowl chop am. Cow. No money. You see now? Once upon a time, dem dey do garri for here. The garri from Oloko na im fine pass. I know now they don't buy garri for here now. No be like I know this community now. You get one garri place, they do garri there. Opposite the church. I don't see am again. So now come they sit down for house. So you see wetin dey happen? This people your government wey una get. The small one wey una dey do, they don't pursue una. The ones wey dey Riverine, I hear say they get accident for boats. They no fit comot from inside river. Be like say they don't forget una. Pastor Zeyamu will not forget you. Because he believes in women. And that's why he say make I tell una say 5 women he go empower. He go give them small money so that you go take the message. Say he never enter office o. He don begin dey do am. He dey talk am, he wan start am. He wan do am. Sure, no, this 5 wey we dey start with na just the beginning. It's just the beginning. You know say you never enter. And you know say when you never enter, wetin you go fit do no go be like who dey there. And who dey there never do anything for women. E be like say you no even like women. Because anywhere they go, they no dey call women put. But when dey here, and e pain me well well say all of una come dey house. How una come dey chop now? Hey. This is a serious matter. I will send this message back. But make I assure you, those of you who dey Riverine, we no forget una. You are our women and we love you. And we go stand for all of una. Those of una wey dey land, you are our women and we love you and we will stand for una. Una see say all of us wear trousers because we know say na serious business. No be business of to wear skirt. Because on that day when we dey go election, na trouser we wan wear. We don dey practice am. We don tell dem say the women we wan fight for women. We wan tell our women say when you vote for Iyamu, you vote for empowerment. When you vote for Iyamu, you vote for man wey get heart. He get heart. Wetin e dey see dey pain us. E dey pain me. How woman go sit down for house not because she no wan sit down, but because dem pursue am for where she dey get small chop. When you vote for him, this small one wey he just dey do now wey he wan help 5 women, he go gather the women, sit them down, he go help more. But you go help am o. September 19th na the day wey we go sweep yamayama comot from Edo State. September 19th na the day wey we go take our destiny into our own hands. September 19th na when we go hold this broom inside this ballot paper. You know say broom dey inside. Na there we go put our hand. As my hand hold broom up like this, na so your hand go press broom on top this paper. You go press only broom. When you press broom, you are voting for Iyamu. When you vote for Iyamu, you are voting for empowerment of women. When you vote Iyamu, you dey vote for chicken money wey you wan give una for una business. Those 5 women wey una go select, abeg, I take God beg una, make una select the ones wey you know say no get at all. Make una no fight una selves. When women stand together, we dey strong. When we dey fight ourselves, we can't be yeye. So we go agree say the people wey we go give na the ones wey no get at all. We are still coming for you, make una no fear. Every woman, you must do something. With Iyamu, when you vote am, when you vote APC, women dem go get empowerment. Women go get money wey dem go take do business. Women go begin to understand say hospitals dey work. No be the one wey we dey chop leaf for inside bush because we no get money to buy medicine. No be the one wey we go hospital to pay for card. He don finish the whole money wey dey hand. He wan bring hospital because me I be doctor. This thing dey pain me. People dey ask me say why I dey vex. I say I dey vex because e dey pain me. E no suppose to be like so. We suppose to go hospital. We suppose to see doctor. No be the one wey we go dey beg say wey doctor, no doctor inside.
Be the judge on the day of the election. Patapata na the people when they look na so wey be the Edo people. I beg o, if this one na the first time when you take a look our video, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV. Make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell so that anytime when we just knock our tori like this, you go always get them. Whether the Pidgin English version, whether the entertainment version, have been at the main news, you go always get our tori. Na so it reach this week. Una bye bye.
DJM TV. DJM TV.